Welcome to this video. Together we're going to repair a steering wheel from a Renault 5 Baccara. The steering wheel is made of leather and plastic. Let's take a closer look at the damage to be repaired. First of all, I start by cleaning thoroughly to ensure that the repair putty adheres properly. Repacker can also be applied to certain soft plastics. Always test to ensure compatibility. Once the repair product has dried, sand off any excess and degrease again. Before proceeding to the next step, also lightly sand any areas that have not been repaired. Let's start by coloring the leather. Leather parts can be recognized by the stitching. Apply as many coats as necessary. Let's move on to the color of the plastics. Plastic steering wheels can be recognized by the line that results from the manufacturing process. The next step is to apply a suitable varnish to each surface to protect the work for a long time to come. Leather varnish on leather and plastic varnish on plastic. In future, apply a little varnish from time to time for a long-lasting renovation. Thanks for following us and see you soon.